And most important, they stayed my friends. My dad died very young. I wish he had lasted a little longer. मैं जब तक बड़ी हुई तब तक वो already गुजर चुके थे. But he gave me the most wonderful childhood ever.
ये लड़की मेरी वाइफ बनेगी ऐसा मेरा दो
Feeling आ
महेंद्र
रही
जोशी वर देयर विथ मी जोशी मेरे को ये बोलते तुझे पता तू जिस कंपनी में काम कर रहा है ना वो बॉस की बेटी है उसकी बेटी है तो मैंने कहा किसी की भी बेटी हो बहन हो माँ मैं इसके साथ शादी करूँ हाँ तो 12 साल के बाद हमने शादी
Yeah, that's
अच्छा?
true. Yeah.
या
Oh, really?
75 to 87
Oh my goodness. नज़ीर ने एक अच्छी बात कही थी बहुत साल पहले कि let's not try to define a relationship. Let's not put a label, husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever it is. As soon as you label a relationship, somehow your whole thinking gets reduced. For a long period of time when I was younger and I was concerned about making a career for myself, etc. In those days, I just didn't get any work, not any paying work. I did a fair amount of work in the theatre, but I didn't get any kind of work in films or on television.
अच्छा ना मैं प्रोड्यूसर हूँ ना मैं राइटर हूँ ना मैं डायरेक्टर हूँ ना ही कोई मेरा बड़ा भाई सुपरस्टार था या मेरा बाप कोई मोगल था ऐसा तो था नहीं तो मुझे तो जो करना था जो आता गया मैं करता था मुझे नहीं लगी कहानी अच्छी पार्ट ऑफ इट मेरे लिए किसी भी सिक्वल बनाना एनकेश करना मुझे एज ए कैरेक्टर मुझे मजा नहीं आ रहा तो मैंने बोला मैं नहीं करूँगा
After 29 years, it's a childhood dream come true. I'm sitting with two people who are prolific in their field, but let me tell you how you guys have inspired me. There's a movie that I watched when I was a child called King Uncle, and you were so villainous in it that my mother used to tell me that if you don't eat your food on time, you will come and take me away. And I believed it. And when I gained a little more sense, I feel that Maya Sarabhai is my alter ego. From hating Hyla and High Chick to your sophisticated style of dressing, I feel I've loved everything about both of you. Today I have two people who put the fun in the dysfunctional comedy. Hum Do Hamare Do, Ratna Pathak Shah ma'am and Paresh Rawal ji joining me for a conversation only on Bollywood Bubble, and I hope by the end of it you really like this conversation because it will mean a lot to me. Thank you for joining us on Bollywood Bubble. It's a pleasure, absolute pleasure having you both here.
Thank you.
You know, I want to start off with what I said. कि बचपन से I have grown up watching you guys, but the system and the era of stardom and the definition of stardom and the definition of love has also from the audience has changed. But for you guys, it's been eternal. How do you see that? मतलब जो 80s and 90s के actors को प्यार मिलता है, I don't feel that today's generation has that emotional attachment. Like Shahrukh sir says that today's generation is very demotional, detached emotionally. But there is an emotional connection with both of you. मतलब I can't tell you what I feel right now actually. So do you feel that in today's audience when you do films like this, the way it gets received?
ऑडियंस का प्यार एंड दैट आई थिंक स्टारडम का अभी के स्टारडम का जो ड्यूरेशन होगा वो 80s 90s वाला उतना लंबा नहीं होगा अभी के जो स्टार होंगे 6 महीने के 8 महीने के होंगे जैसे एज एंड व्हेन योर फिल्म कम्स एंड उस किस्म का होगा वो तो जमाना मुझे लगता है आई थिंक गया एंड थैंकफुली
Yeah, right.
क्योंकि अगर आप अच्छा काम करोगे तो ही स्टार बनोगे आप अभी आप अगर आपने परफॉर्म नहीं किया तो आपका स्टारडम नहीं रहेगा आपको कैरेक्टर प्ले करना पड़ेगा यू कांट एक ही जेस्चर के सहारे पूरी जिंदगी निकाल दो एक ही मैनरिज्म के सहारे वो नहीं होगा ऐसा मुझे लगता है
Yeah. The star now is the story, the script.
Yeah.
So that is a very welcome change. Having said that, I do feel that a performer who adds something special from her side or his side, now that kind of a performer is what we all want to look out for.
Yeah.
When I choose to watch a film, it's often because I really want to watch a particular actor. Sometimes I watch a film and I discover all kinds of actors that I didn't know about. And I'm totally delighted. So both these will probably coexist. And the stardom of the sort that we saw in the 80s and 90s led to a bunch of very bad films being made.
True.
So why would I want that to come around again?
Absolutely.
I wouldn't.
You know, we were shown the trailer before it released in groups, and I remember there are many people sitting here also who literally had the same reaction that you guys are the stars of this film, and it is a welcome change. You know, like I heard you say in a previous interview that today's relationship और क्या ही दिखा सकते हैं. So when I see this kind of a bonding and your dialogue delivery and the kind of camaraderie that you both have in the trailer itself, honestly, anybody would want to watch it because of you two.
Oh.
And in fact, I think in previous interviews, Kriti and Raj have also said that you guys are the stars of the show. And
Well, we are the surprise package, let's put it like this. You don't really know what you're getting into.
True.
Where we are concerned. Unfortunately, Kriti and Raj are playing young lovers, and you've seen young lovers in probably every
Every other
shape and
film,
form possible. So, but you don't know what it's going to be like with these two oldies. So yeah, wait and find out.
बिकॉज इतनी डाइवर्सिटी जो हम बोलते हैं, जो हमारी स्ट्रेंथ है, उसको ही हमने ना एक्सप्लोर किया ना
Yeah.
एक्सप्लोइट किया. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है इतना मेंटल बैंकरप्सी थी, इतनी लेथार्जी थी.
Yeah.
फॉरेन में किसी ने बनाई ना वीडियो कैसेट निकालो, धूल झटक दो और लगा दो, तो उधर करके 2-3 गाने डाल दो, उसमें बहन नहीं, बहन का सीन भी डाल दो, राखी का सीन भी डाल दो, जो भी
Improve
Indian-
करो,
जो usual
improve
मसाला है,
करो,
वो करो.
improve करो.
उसको इम्प्रूव करो. तो वो जो उसमें काफी हमारा मामला बिगड़ गया. अभी वो नहीं है.
हाँ.
अभी आप करोगे तो फॉक्स वाले, वार्नर वाले आप पे केस ठोके.
कोरियन वाले भी आ जाएंगे.
कोरियन वाले भी आ गए. वो आपकी वो भी सुविधा बंद हो गई है.
बिल्कुल.
तो अभी जख मार के आपको अपना माल निकालना पड़ रहा है, और बड़ी अच्छी बात है.
Yeah.
इतना अच्छा माल निकल रहा है, तब जाके हमको समझ में आता है हमारे पास कितना था और हम क्यों चोरी कर रहे थे.
Yeah. True.
अरे हमारे लिटरेचर में कितना है? We haven't even begun to explore the tip
yeah.
of our literature.
या
True, true. But this story is a beautiful story about relationships, family. I want to ask you that how were your relationships with your mom and dad? Who was the stricter one? Who had more influence on you as a person in terms of your personality?
यार मैं तो माने ये कहूँगा कि मेरा तो माने ड्रीम रिलेशनशिप आया है. आई वॉज वेरी वेरी फॉर्चुनेट एंड दे वर ऑल्सो वेरी फॉर्चुनेट, उनको मेरे जैसा बेटा मिला.
That is true.
मैंने बहुत कमाल किया, और सेम रिलेशनशिप मेरी और मेरे बेटों को भी है. सेम सेम
I was going to come to that.
Yeah.
But who are you more like, your dad or your mom? And in what ways?
आई थिंक दोनों का है. मेरे पिता की एंजाइटी है, तो मेरा मदर का एक ठहराव भी है, एक कामनेस भी है, और मेरे पिताजी का तो स्टर्न होकर फिर भूल भी जाते थे. चलिए वो सब है दोनों का सब थोड़ा थोड़ा है.
What about you, ma'am?
Again, most actors have sob stories from their childhood. I had a very bad relationship with this one.
Yeah.
My mother, my father. I had tough times. मेरे पास कोई sob story नहीं है.
Which is good.
एक भी sob story नहीं है मेरे पास. I've had such a happy life. Sometimes I worry कि मैं acting कैसे करूँगी. मेरे पास कुछ है ही नहीं अंदर दुख का के किस्से, कि how will I become a great actor? But as it has turned out to be, whatever kind of actor I am, I have been hugely supported by my childhood.
Yeah.
I had a very happy childhood. I had two parents who trusted me, loved me equally. They gave me every opportunity possible. And most important, they stayed my friends. My dad died very young. I wish he had lasted a little longer. मैं जब तक बड़ी हुई तब तक वो already गुजर चुके थे. But he gave me the most wonderful childhood ever. He was such a fun man. Everyone knows my mother much more because of the work she has done. But my father was a huge influence on me. His way of looking at the world, his ability to work hard, his ability to keep his spirit strong, even in the face of the greatest difficulties. I got a lot out of my dad. And of course, my mother and her great facility with stories and her great facility with people, how she got on with people. I've got all of that also. Smaller doses, but still there.
But you know, when you talk about anxiety, so now I am extremely close to my parents, like extremely close in every way, like, and I have to stay away from them, which is the most unfortunate part. They're in Calcutta, I'm in Bombay. So there are times when and I've always battled this because you spoke about your dad's death. My dad had a very, very hard time with his medical zone, you know, when I was 6. So it stayed on with me, and it actually triggered anxiety in me. It's very difficult to fathom the loss of a loved one. Here, Raj is playing somebody who doesn't have a mom and dad. When you lost your loved one or a parent, how difficult was it to deal with that situation? And what kept you to just move on without giving up?
I think the values given by them,
Yeah.
वो जो संस्कार उन्होंने दिए, those set of values, वो जो आपकी upbringing हुई है, वो आपको जिंदा रखती है, आप survive कर लेते हैं. And हाँ ये भी है कि suddenly you feel there is nobody to look up to. किसके साथ जाके हम advice ले? Then you आप अपने siblings के पास जाते हो कि यार क्या बोलते पिताजी को रोते, इसके बारे में क्या बोलते, इसके बारे में क्या, ये भी एक अलग किस्म का वो है, सर्च है. You really miss their opinion so much.
Yeah.
And as you grow older, you look at the world the way they looked at it.
Yeah.
And you realize how much, I mean, so many things I fought about.
Yeah, resented. And then you
Resented
feel- yeah, and you feel it's
at that
their
time.
right.
And now, not that they are right, but this is something that must be taken into consideration. I may decide to live my life
Differently.
very differently from the way they did. But the fact that they were a strong set of values, a strong support system, that's absolutely, that's like not negotiable. That sense that you have somebody with you and they last around you. I mean, I talk to my mom, I talk to my dad in my own way, and they talk back.
You know, ma'am, I want to ask you this, that you've been a very honest and unapologetic about your thoughts, opinions, and your desires. Does that also stem from the upbringing that you got? Because you come from an era where women were often subjected to a lot of, you know, shunning down,
Yes.
especially with their opinions, and you're very firm with your opinions. Do you think that also, that support, like you said, that your
Yes.
parents supported,
Yes.
so was that, it's not rebellious, it's not rebellion, it's just putting forward your opinions in a
Yes.
way more firmer
Yes,
way.
absolutely. My parents definitely did support, and they encouraged all of us to have opinions. My dad didn't
Yeah.
want to thrust his opinion on any one of us. And I have to say, along with both of them, I have had many other members of my family. My aunt, Shanta Gandhi, my mother's older sister, she was a huge influence on me. And she definitely helped me to learn how to think
Yeah.
and how to make one's point without being offensive, always. I am offensive sometimes, I know that. But Shantaji did manage to show me ways of living a life on your terms and
Yeah.
yet not being cut off from the world.
Yeah.
I think that was a huge learning that I got out of her. And from so many others. You know, it's not just an individual unit.
True.
The family in those days was a large unit. Your chacha, mama, taya, everyone joined into the picture.
That is true.
And that is your whole support system.
Yeah. I think that is missing. That's why people are a little detached from
Maybe.
everything emotionally.
Yeah.
But you know, when we look at this movie, it has a very interesting take on the love story between, like the unrequited love story from your side for sure. And मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब आप बोलते हो कि वो हाँ दारू पी लिया था, खाई से गिर गया, मतलब ये कैसी बेरहमी है and all that. It's super fun.
This is insane.
Whoever's written it, fantastic. But you know, in your real life, both of you have had eternal love stories. You know, whether it's with Nasir Saab, whether it's with Saroop ma'am. And I was reading up about it, and it both stemmed from the same place, theatre. And it's lasted, and it's going to last for eternity and
Inshallah,
beyond.
inshallah.
Is absolutely. My point, first I will
Well, theatre is a marriage in any case.
Yeah.
Films are one-night stands.
Yeah.
Right? So theatre is a marriage.
It's true.
And somehow that rubs off. Maybe, I mean, I never thought of it like that. But now that you have mentioned it, that yes, his is a theatre romance and relationship, and so is ours. And yeah, maybe there is something to that. That it learns, you learn how to
True.
last the tough times.
Test of time, yeah. firstly coming to you, your marriage, you actually looked at Swaroop ma'am, correct me if I'm wrong, and said that I'm going to marry her the first time. And you didn't speak to her but for 1 year. Why?
No, not 1 year.
For?
Because I was kind of, ये लड़की मेरी वाइफ बनेगी ऐसा मेरा दो
Feeling
महीने
आ गया।
जोशी वर्कर है with me. जोशी मेरे को ये बोलते तुझे पता तू जिस कंपनी में काम कर रहा है ना वो बॉस की बेटी है उसकी बेटी है तो मैंने कहा किसी की भी बेटी हो बहन हो माहू मैं इसके साथ शादी करूं और देन आपको राब्ता 2-3 महीने के बाद में जब मैंने बोला आई वांट टू गेट मैरिड टू यू बट डोंट टेल मी लेट्स नो ईच अदर लेट्स ग्रो टुगेदर वरना मरते दम तक कोई किसी को नहीं जान सकता है तो मैं उसमें वो एक्सरसाइज फ्यूटाइल एक्सरसाइज मेरे साथ मत करो आई कमिट योरसेल्फ बाद में 12 साल के बाद हमने शादी
Yeah, that's
अच्छा?
true. Yeah.
या
Oh, really?
75 to 87
Oh my goodness.
But it's a similar story for you also, no? You also dated for quite some time.
7
Then-
years.
Yeah, 7.
12 साल के सामने 7 साल कुछ नहीं लगते.
No, but it's almost 7. They say 7 years is eternity. Is what
Yes.
if you last 7 years together, you last for a lifetime. That's
Well,
what they say for every relationship.
Hopefully.
So how did that start on your,
Well, in the theatre, we were rehearsing together. We fell in love.
एक दिन में या फिर मतलब
Well,
Honestly, much?
नहीं, yeah. Satyadev Dubey
ahoy
is our. And the play we were doing was called Sambhog Se Sannyas.
Sannyas, yeah.
Very telling, wouldn't you say? Very prescient. अभी संन्यास बाकी है.
But when I tell my mom and dad that they have lived together for 42 years and they are still fighting like kindergarten kids and their fights are like so real, so dramatic, but it will be like, your father is not talking to me, just tell him to have his medicines. Aisa, matlab, I am the messenger, okay? But it's sweet. I feel that today's generation doesn't have that connection and genuinely relationships of any sort, not just romantic, are crumbling. And very soon, I think it's very easy to take that decision कि नहीं साथ में नहीं रह सकते. Do you feel that because you guys have, like you said, stood the test of time?
I feel surprised that people don't want to invest in a relationship.
Yeah.
I suppose if you look at something only from your point of view, then it's difficult to make an investment. But life has taught me definitely that it's worth looking in any relationship, not just in a husband-wife situation, but in any relationship, it's worthwhile looking at the matter from the other person's point of view.
Yeah.
And then you get a different perspective. But it needs time. It needs mind space. If you're on your phone all the time, and if you're worried constantly about have I got a thumbs up or a thumbs down or a like or a view, or it's hard. It's hard to commit to anything else.
Yeah. What about you, sir?
किसी भी रिलेशन जो उन्होंने कहा कि इन्वेस्ट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है और समझो वो भी आप ही की तरह है ये बहुत ज़रूरी है ये बहुत ही 2-3 चीज़ें हैं वैसे दिखने में बड़ी मामूली है लेकिन
बहुत important
अहम बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है और एडजस्टमेंट करना ही पड़ेगा आपको इफ़ यू लव दैट पर्सन
Yeah. Yeah.
आप
नसीर ने
कहोगे मैं हूँ तो नहीं चलती है बात
नज़ीर ने एक अच्छी बात कही थी बहुत साल पहले कि let's not try to define a relationship. Let's not put a label, husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever it is. As soon as you label a relationship, somehow your whole thinking gets reduced.
Yeah, it becomes myopic, for sure.
And I find that you guys, the younger generation, seems to be extremely keen on labeling everything. Nobody talks about a film as a film. What genre does it belong to? And what genre? Oh, come on, man. Yeah, right.
There can be many things.
Yeah, I mean, and which is your favorite? That's a question I feel like sort of slapping the question. I hope you're not going to ask me that question.
No.
But
I
it's
stand
like-
apart from that crowd. That's why I think I can't align my thought processes with the generation. That is a problem.
Yeah,
Because
it's a pity.
you are sometimes in the minority. When you're in a group of 10 people, if I'm in a group of 10 people my age, their choices sometimes don't align with mine. So it's
Yes, but I mean, that's true for all of us. I often have to work with people whose choices don't align with mine. But that's okay. You learn how to find something interesting about them, all the same. There's no one so small you can't learn something from, as somebody said.
you know, both of you have seen from, it's been like 3 decade plus careers, and you guys have seen ups and downs in terms of success and failure. How do you define that? Because that has never really, जैसे आपने बोला ना कि स्टार्स को एक फर्क पड़ जाता है कि एक मूवी नहीं चली, एक शो नहीं चला. साराभाई वर्सेस साराभाई, when it released, it was not well received.
No.
And ma'am, when I'm angry, when I'm upset, when I'm happy, when I'm anything, this is my go-to. I know every episode by the book. So it's that. Similarly, I spoke about King Uncle. I know King Uncle was not a great film, or it was not even well received, but it leaves an impact. You know, the kind of films that you've done, even for, you know, Hangama 2, which you did, it got mixed response, but you were loved. So how do you sometimes balance the definition of success and failure in your life, and has it changed over the years? Because the whole industry has changed, there's been paradigm shifts one after the other.
यार देखो, हर रोल तो चैलेंजिंग होगा नहीं. हर रोल के अंदर आपको कुछ बैठ जाओ, आप कुछ साइकोलॉजिकल उसको रिसर्च को ऐसा तो होता नहीं है. कुछ तो आप हंसते खेलते कर लेते हो, क्योंकि हमारे वो मटेरियल भी वैसा होता है.
True.
तो जैसा मटेरियल वैसी मेहनत लगती है, लेकिन कभी कभार कुछ आ जाए तो ठीक है, बैठ के सोचो इसके बारे में एंड करो. बाकी वो दिखावा करना कि यार ब्रूडिंग एंड ऑल दैट, वो सब नहीं है.
What about you?
Success, honestly, I don't know how to answer this question, because for a long period of time when I was younger and I was concerned about making a career for myself, etc. In those days, I just didn't get any work, not any paying work. I did a fair amount of work in the theatre, but I didn't get any kind of work in films or on television. Finally, television did happen to me, and I really feel that it was a huge step for me in the right direction that I did comedy to start with.
Absolutely.
And it opened my eyes to a whole different way of looking at the world. It forced me to address my shortcomings as an actor and to develop my skills. I used to moan and groan a lot about why I didn't get work earlier on, but I realized I wasn't very good. So in order to be good, I had to do something.
Yeah.
And theatre and television gave me the opportunity to hone my craft. So I'm eternally grateful for that. So I'm not sure about success and failure. I don't think I've seen any
Never
particular
defined them also.
success or, frankly, any great failure
Yeah.
either. So I've been this very boring, middle of the road kind of person in many ways. And I have learned from every single opportunity I got. So I feel enriched. I look back on my life and I say, what a wonderful time I've had.
Yeah.
Doing all kinds of things without trying to form any kind of a framework for myself, without anyone pushing me in any direction. I've done really what I wanted to do. I mean, what a great blessing that is.
But you know, on that note, I want to ask you this: that, like you said, that there were times when you didn't have work. Did that ever happen with you also? And have you guys taken up work because you had to just do it to keep yourselves going? Maybe you didn't believe in it so
To a
much.
certain amount, yes, all of us have had to do that.
Lack of work.
Lack of work, and maybe taking up work which you may not be so interested in, but you had to do it because you had to fend for the family or for the money, or whatever. That's also a requirement.
95% of my films are only for money. It's a fact. Yeah, मुझे पता है. अच्छा, ना मैं प्रोड्यूसर हूँ, ना मैं राइटर हूँ, ना मैं डायरेक्टर हूँ, ना ही कोई मेरा बड़ा भाई सुपरस्टार था या मेरा बाप कोई मोगल था. ऐसा तो था नहीं. तो मुझे तो जो करना था, जो आता गया मैं करता गया. बट वन थिंग इज देयर, आई हैड माय थिएटर.
Yeah.
उसका अरोगेंस मेरे पास वो कमाल का था.
Fact.
वो मैं किसी के सुनता भी नहीं था. मैंने मेरे ड्रामा के टूर के लिए फिल्में भी छोड़ दी है, काफ़ी झगड़े भी किए हैं. वो मेरा थिएटर है, तो मैं वहाँ का राजा हूँ. बट पैसों के लिए तो आपको काम करना ही पड़ेगा. लेकिन मैं आगे एक इंटरव्यू में कहा भी, उन फिल्मों की वजह से मैं काफ़ी ऐसे फिल्में कर सका था
True.
कि जिसकी
जो
जो
आपको
मुझे
करना.
पैसे नहीं मिलने वाले थे.
But जो आपको करना था.
हाँ. तो मैं उन फिल्मों को आई डोंट लुक डाउन अपॉन दैम. और मैं उनको थैंक यू बोलता हूँ.
The only thing is I wish those kind of films were better made.
Yeah.
जरा सा और विचार करते, वही कहानी वही सब कुछ लेकर के थोड़ा सा और मेहनत करते तो शायद. मगर anyway, as he says, ना हम producer and director हैं ना कुछ.
Yeah.
So you have to just
Not
wait.
looking back and regretting. But sir, OMG, oh my God, was a terrific film, and you completely led that to victory. It was one of the sleeper hits of that year. It's getting remade, but you are not there. Everybody is when I
It's getting remade. अभी तो बनी थी.
not remade, matlab,
yeah,
there's a
the
sequel.
sequel.
Sorry,
Oh,
it's
acha,
my
acha.
mistake. So there's a sequel to it, and you are not there, and a lot of fans are actually upset because that film to many was about you and
Yeah,
Kanti.
but मुझे नहीं लगी कहानी अच्छी. So I don't want to be a part of it. मेरे लिए किसी भी सिक्वल बनाना, एनकेश करना, मुझे एज ए कैरेक्टर मुझे मजा नहीं आ रहा, तो मैंने बोला मैं नहीं करूँगा. क्योंकि जो हम हेरा फेरी में कर चुके थे, इट वॉज अगेन, अभी तो नीरज नहीं रहा, बट होता है ना कि यार वो एनकेश क्यों, यहाँ तो आप सिक्वल बनाते हो तो या फिर मुन्ना भाई MBBS जैसे ही बनाओ, एक लीप लेते हो, क्वांटम पे लगे रहो जैसे, यू नो.
Sequels are tricky things.
Yeah.
या
Even in your case, Sarabhai versus Sarabhai
Yes.
Take 2,
Didn't
it
work.
wasn't as well received as the
Not
first
at all.
one.
And we did a second season for something called Idhar Udhar, which was
Yeah,
my
yeah,
first.
Idhar Udhar.
Yeah, it was dreadful, the sequel. So it's not easy to get a sequel right.
But does that make you not take up a third? Maybe after this, we want to do Sarabhai. Would you have like apprehensions? Because
No,
every
of
time
course
you
not.
come back together for even a small video, na everybody
Yes,
thinks it's
I
going to
would definitely want to do Sarabhai again
Please do
if it were happening, but I would definitely want it to be better than what we did the second round.
Yeah.
And I think Atish is aware of what didn't work in the second round. So I'm hoping that if we ever get round to number 3, season 3, he will not make those same mistakes. We'll make different mistakes.
Yeah.
We can always make mistakes.
Yeah.
But we don't have to make the same mistakes. That's my problem with Hindi films. They make the same mistakes over and over again. Make new mistakes now.
That's true. But thank you so much. It is always lovely to have you guys around. Although this is my first time that I've spoken to you over a call, but never done this in person. But yeah, this was, I will genuinely again reiterate that it is a childhood dream come true. And I would love to see you back as Maya Sarabhai. I think the entire nation wants. And you are, of course, I will tell you one incident after the camera stop rolling. You will be laughing. But thank you so much. All the best for this one. This looks very promising. And I hope that जब ये चल जाए तो आप लोग एक और बार इंटरव्यू दो हमको.
जी.
And
तुम्हारे मुंह में गुड़ घी.
Thank you so much.